Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that makes sure you don't waste your hard-earned cash on tech that crashes faster than your Wi-Fi during a Netflix binge. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On my left, we've got the SYMA drone, and on my right, the ATTOP drone. Both are priced at $99, but which one gives you more bang for your buck? Let's find out. First up, the camera showdown. The SYMA drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. Reviewers appreciate its stable and clear views, comparing it to the clarity you get after cleaning your glasses. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone flexes with a 2K camera and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Reviewers highlight its ability to capture detailed HD pictures and videos via the ATTOP Club app, making it like having a GoPro strapped to a flying saucer. So if you're into capturing every detail of your neighbor's barbecue from above, ATTOP might just be your new best friend. Next, let's talk about app control. SYMA lets you draw a route on the SYMA app, and the drone will follow it like a loyal puppy. Reviewers find this feature very user-friendly, especially for beginners. ATTOP, however, takes it up a notch. Their app allows you to draw flight paths and control the drone by speaking to it. Yes, you can literally talk to your drone. This feature has been praised by users for adding an extra layer of fun and convenience, though some have found the app a bit unresponsive at times. Now, stability and features. The SYMA drone uses optical flow positioning for a stable hover, making it the yoga master of drones. It's got headless mode, altitude mode, and one-key takeoff landing, perfect for those of us who can't even parallel park. Reviewers have highlighted its strong sensors for avoiding obstacles and its overall durability. ATTOP, on the other hand, offers altitude hold, one-key return, and even a 360 degrees flip feature. Reviewers love the flips and find it a fun addition, although some note that it's a bit light and struggles in windy conditions. Let's talk battery life. SYMA comes with 2 powerful batteries supporting up to 40 minutes of flight time. That's like watching an entire episode of your favorite sitcom, uninterrupted. Reviewers appreciate the decent battery life and the inclusion of 2 batteries. ATTOP, however, offers 20 minutes of flight time with its 1,100 mAh battery. Reviewers have noted the short battery life as a downside, but appreciate the low battery warning and emergency stop feature to prevent any dramatic crash landings. Finally, user experience. SYMA is super user-friendly, making it ideal for kids and beginners. With features like headless mode and one-key takeoff/landing, it's basically the Fisher-Price of drones. Reviewers often recommend it for young pilots and beginners due to its easy controls and durability. ATTOP, on the other hand, is a bit more versatile. It's got 3 speed settings, making it great for both beginners and advanced users. Plus, it's foldable and comes with a handy carry case. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and portability, though some have had issues with the app and initial setup. Overall, the SYMA drone is praised for its ease of use, stability, and long battery life, making it a great option for beginners and kids. The ATTOP drone is appreciated for its camera quality, innovative app controls, and fun features, though it has some issues with battery life and app responsiveness. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The SYMA drone and the ATTOP drone. Both fantastic in their own right. But which one should you buy? If you're looking for a drone with longer flight time and super easy controls, SYMA's your go-to. But if you're all about that camera quality, fancy app controls, and portability, ATTOP's got your back. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, keep flying high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.